Zjadł. Weź cofam go. To tak. No, to nie.
Ora.
Daj go. No.
Jest ora.
When niggas dissing, they be funny like how niggas knees is hurt from doing all that shit. Any funny movement, dump it if we get that video out of we into that function. Niggas hate me, bitches love me, them niggas can say what they want cause they never gon' touch me. Run up 2 shots, tell me don't know what that fuck nigga thought, but that nigga a dummy. Big dot jet, I don't care where I'm at, niggas dropping the max, I'm dropping the hat. 2-4 run, I said beam on his back, niggas stop all the cat cause all you do is crack. I'm tryna make a fun nigga jet lag, get a fuck nigga head and watch the nigga crash. Loose you a bum and you don't got no back, so you dropping the mac, niggas know why you mad. Heard it outside, and I know shot block cause I just got the drop from a north side guy. White boy stop, boy ass get dropped, them shots too hot, and this big boy got 2-4K and them boys not out, but that nigga keep dissing and I don't know why. I show him he not, but if he catch a shot, then I fuck nigga stop. 2-4K and his shots for the north. Blaze up dick, boy, you know that you soft. Blick in his face, better make niggas fall. Say he spinning their ace, don't believe him at all. Blitz through the front, you ain't blitz through the back. Niggas stop all the cap, niggas heard you a rat. He said he looking for me if I stay free, stop it. He took the flip with the opposite. When niggas dissing, they be funny like how niggas knees don't hurt from doing all that sucking. Any funny movement, dump it. If we get that video out of we into that function. Niggas hate me, bitches love me. Them niggas can say what they want cause they never gon' touch me. Run up 2 shots, tell me don't know what that fuck nigga thought, but that nigga a dummy. Big dot jet, I don't care where I'm at, niggas dropping the max, so I'm dropping the hat. 2-4 run, I said beam on his back, niggas stop all the cat cause all you do is crack. I'm tryna make a fun nigga jet lag, hit a fuck nigga head and watch the nigga crash. Loose you a bum and you don't got no back, so you dropping the mac, niggas know why you mad. Wasn't gonna say no names, but the Jets like playing those games, okay, let's play. Moolah, bum, tell him take off that chain, why you got that shit on.
A kto mnie zostaje? Kurwa, kto jest ode mnie?
Sleazy! Oh, bitch! Got his hands in his pockets, he bluffing, don't know if he got it or not, so I'm dumping like fuck it. Body on body, no cuffing, I might catch the Mozzie and dub, but I can't do no loving. That nigga died, they ain't sliding no riding, but they on the book like I'm missing my brother. Rock on my body, I ain't with the dying, if I gotta do it, I do it in public. That nigga talk on the media tough, I just beat them in person and he tryna duck. Most of these niggas don't talk no gun and I be the same niggas that be out of loss.
Driver.
No czemu nas nie bije jakiś debil? Wy nie masz.
To jest
No, nie winkę zjebie.
Jest, no bo ja nie wiem kto ma niewidkę, jak to nie.
Ale stary,
Ale patrz się na antylogout. Nie,
We always shots, never on no hoe. You don't gotta ask, everything will go. Run like green, like under the ball. His hands in his pockets, he bluffing, don't know if he got it or not, so I'm dumping like buckets. Body on body, no cuffing, I might catch the Mozzie and dub it, I can't do no loving. That nigga died, they ain't sliding no riding, but they on the book like I'm missing my brother. Glock on my body, I ain't with the dying, if I gotta do what I do in public. She like she heard we be shooting a lot. I say you wild and you talking too hot. That nigga like tryna fuck on the thought. Spot my dot on my pocket. Nice. I shoot, I ain't getting them shot. These niggas cat, they ain't really outside. He called a shot, took the shot on the hop. Bitch, I'm a demon, I'm flocking the flock. Go pop, go pop, go to stomp. Niggas
Call me the independent variable for a reason, gang.
Oh, that's why.
I spend 8 hours a day in school and I still put up more numbers than these fleas. Oh shit. Like, most of y'all rappers that signed to the streets, only deal that you took was a plea. Mama get money, Wally P, shout out my label, that's me. I own 100% of my cuts, bitch, nobody taking a fee. 3.1415926553, I'm the king of NYC. I heard they send my music to police, so this is a message to NYPD. I cap in my raps, I'm an innocent tweet. Keep a teddy bear when I sleep. I'm rapping the words, but they write it for me. Me, I'm all about keeping the peace. I mean, at least I get paid, cause a lot of these rappers be capping for free. They call me the Ock, I got the bread, she chop, but said, can I bring a friend? Never, never, never. I guess she forgot the bev like 2 5s don't equal a 10. Quick math, don't try it again. She shaped like a turtle or a hen. Her makeup is fucked, she don't know how to blend. Make her do Wordle. She need to have brains if she giving out head. Call her Virgil, cause the way she be blowing shit got me dead. Shawty got arc 10. I wanna intersect her circle. She like Mabu, I like purple. So I blew her back out when I left her on red. Get it? Cause blue and red equals purple. So I blew her back out when I left her on red. Don't let that go over your head.